Welcome to Easy Daily English. Subscribe now to join our community. Ready for a new story? Let's go. Do you know the names of things in a dining room? You see them every day, but maybe you don't know their English names. Hello, friends. Let's learn dining room items together. Listen and repeat after me. Dining table is something we eat meals on it. Chairs are something we sit on them. Tablecloth is something we use to cover the table. Placemat is something we put under the plates. Napkin is something we use to clean our mouth. Napkin holder is something that holds napkins. Candle is something that gives soft light. Candle holder is something that keeps a candle in place. Centerpiece is something we use to decorate the table. Vase is something we put flowers in it. Flowers are something that make the dining room pretty. Ceiling light is something that lights up the room. Floor lamp is something that gives extra light. Curtains are something we use to cover the windows. Blinds are something that block sunlight. Window is something we look outside from it. Clock is something that shows the time. Painting is something we hang on the wall. Photo frame is something that shows family photos. Rug is something we put under the table. Sideboard is something we use to keep dishes or decorations. Cabinet is something we use to store items. Shelf is something we put decorations on it. Mirror is something we see our reflection in it. Plants are something that make the room look fresh. Chair cushion is something that makes a chair soft. Tray is something we use to carry food. Pitcher is something we use to pour water or juice. Water jug is something we keep water in it. Coaster is something we put under glasses. Table runner is something we use to decorate the table. Bread basket is something we keep bread in it. Fruit bowl is something we keep fruits in it. Display cabinet is something that shows pretty dishes. Decorative bowl is something we use for decoration. Wall art is something we use to decorate the walls. Room divider is something that separates the dining area. Heater is something that warms the room. Air purifier is something that cleans the air. Great job, friends! Now you know many dining room items in English. Practice these words and you will speak better every day. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.